Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Niger, na Buhari go to Niger don uwarsa. Don banda babansa Buhari. We must go to Niger, no be Daura. Na Daura will go back. Because Daura pasa, Daura ta karfin shi. Na Niger don uwarsa. Uwarsa shi. Babansa. Mamansa. Daura don uwarsa. Don Daura ba su ce na line. People come to us and are lie, Buhari. Buhari na lie, don't go back to Niger. We need justice. Buhari must go. Buhari must go. We need justice. We need justice. Buhari must go. Buhari must go. Don't waste Buhari. And we are simply saying if he is not capable of leading us, he should simply resign and go. Because the high level of security, as we all know, security is the paramount thing to every citizen. We have no security in the country, high level of banditry, high level of kidnappings, high level of corruption and all. We have never had it. Buhari must go! 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 That's your life. Buhari must go! 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 Stop injustice! Buhari must go! Free Sheikh Zazzaki! Stop injustice! Buhari must go! Buhari must go! Free Sheikh Zazzaki! Free Sheikh Zazzaki! Stop injustice! Stop injustice! Buhari must go! Buhari must go! Free Sheikh Zazzaki! Free Sheikh Zazzaki! Stop injustice! Stop injustice! Buhari must go! Buhari must go! Free Sheikh Zazzaki! Free Sheikh Zazzaki! Stop injustice! Stop injustice! Buhari must go! Buhari must go! Free Sheikh Zazzaki! Free Sheikh Zazzaki! Stop injustice! Buhari must go! Buhari must go! Buhari is the backbone! Buhari is the backbone! Buhari must go! Stop injustice! Buhari must go! Buhari must go! This is a democracy! 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 Greatest of the greatest Nigerian people! Conscious Nigerian people! I want to yarn! I want to speak! I want to express myself! The reason why we gather here today is because today is Democracy Day. Today is June 12th Day. It's a day that many people sacrifice their lives. Many people like Chief Lamke Abiola, Goodluck Abiola, Anthony Enahoro, Afe
Kwanu, and several other people sacrificed their life for the democracy we are enjoying today. Today we have a situation in our country where protesters are attacked, where people are killed on a daily basis. Look at how innocent people are killed in Zamfara. Look at how innocent people are killed in Kebbi. Look at how innocent people are killed in Kaduna. Look at how innocent people are being killed in the southeast. We say this is unacceptable in a democracy. And as such, we must collectively unite against the tyrants who are currently in power. For us, we believe that the irreducible minimum in a democracy is the ability of the citizens to express their grievances, to speak on issues, and to canvass arguments. So I'll be allowing my brother and friend Omayele Sowore and other people to also join us and speak. Thank you.